Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed guide on replacing the motor, blade, and panel of the Thermomix TM31. This process can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you'll have your machine running like new in no time. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM31. Safety is paramount, so ensure it's completely disconnected from the power source. Next, remove the bowl and lid. Set them aside in a safe place. Now let's focus on the base. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the bottom of the unit. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid misplacing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base cover off. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open carefully. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. Inside, you'll see the motor and the blade assembly. To remove the blade, use your pliers to grip the base of the blade and twist it counterclockwise. If it's stuck, a little bit of gentle force should help. Remember, if you reckon this is too hard, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out for help. With the blade removed, you can now access the motor. Disconnect the motor wires by gently pulling them out of their connectors. Take note of where each wire connects, as you'll need to reconnect them later. Now, let's clean the internal components. Use a soft cloth to wipe down any dust or residue inside the unit. This is a great opportunity to ensure everything is in good condition before reassembly. Next, it's time to install the new motor. Connect the wires to their respective connectors, ensuring they are secure. Then, place the new blade into the assembly, twisting it clockwise until it locks into place. Once everything is in position, replace the base cover. Align it carefully and press down until you hear it click into place. Now, take your Phillips screwdriver and reinsert the screws to secure the base. Before we finish, let's talk about maintenance. Regular cleaning and checks can prolong the life of your Thermomix. If you ever need assistance, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. Finally, plug your Thermomix back in and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the motor, blade, and panel of your Thermomix TM31. Enjoy your cooking. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.